Hey, thanks so much for watching the podcast. You know, you can help support Far East Travel's video podcast by becoming a patron. I'll leave a link in the show notes to check out my Patreon page. For as little as a couple bucks a month, you can support the channel and get access to exclusive content just for you. So thanks for watching. It's New Year's Eve day morning here in Taipei, Taiwan, and I'm at the Binjiang Market. And I did a podcast actually on this maybe a few episodes ago. I'm just here on a regular day. This is New Year's Eve day. So it's insane here because so many people that are still in Taipei for the holiday are here shopping for the big reunion dinner tonight. And the market has like lots of special items just for New Year's as well. So it's a really good time, but I just wanted to show you this because it's totally insane here, but lots of fun. I think this is silver pomfret, which is quite popular for New Year's Eve dinner because of the name. It's supposed to bring good luck, prosperity, and apparently it's the best tasting pomfret. I feel bad. People are just trying to rush around and get their food for dinner, and I'm in the way and got a big backpack on. Garbage truck. Totally getting in the way of everybody here. Actually, local people tell me this is like a totally awesome place to buy fish because all of these people that sell it know exactly how to cook each one, because each one's different obviously and has to be cooked with a different technique or a different way, but you gotta know Chinese. Great, coming my way. Timing is everything here in Taiwan, and really don't want to be doing a video when garbage pickup is happening unless you're doing a video about garbage pickup. Almost total gridlock here. Oh man. Tangerines, symbol of wealth. And the leaves apparently mean fertility. Be careful who you give those to. Crazy oranges. enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And and there's more videos to watch from East Asia, Southeast Asia, and South Asia, so subscribe to the channel now. And don't forget, you can help support the channel by becoming a patron. Just click that little box in the left corner there, and follow the link to my Patreon page. For as little as a couple of bucks a month, you can support the channel and get access to exclusive content. 新年快乐, Happy New Year from Taipei, Taiwan. This is John Sabo. 谢谢.